Here we go. CNC Group break number 1800. Special number there, too. Start off with Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price, oversized. All right. And, of course, as always, best of luck to everybody in the break. Start off with a victory rookie of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins for the Oilers. There you go. We have an OPG rookie of Eric Goodbranson for the Florida Panthers. We have an MVP for the Toronto Maple Leafs of John Michael Lyles. And a victory of Maxime Talbot for the Philadelphia Flyers. We have a Young Guns for the Islanders of Calvin DeHaan. Calvin DeHaan. For the Canvas, Dan Cleary for the Detroit Red Wings. And Rangers, Tim Erickson. Nice. For the Chicago Blackhawks, rookie materials jersey, Brendan Saad. Brendan Saad, rookie materials jersey. We have a victory, Jose Theodore for the Florida Panthers. We have a Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Gustav Nyquist. Gustav Nyquist. We have a victory rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Johansson. We have a 1960s for the Montreal Canadiens, Gump Worsley. And OPG Dustin Byfuglien for the Winnipeg Jets. We have for the Boston Bruins a canvas of Tyler Seguin. And victory Jeff Carter for the Columbus Blue Jackets. And we have for the Washington Capitals a Dmitry Orlov Young Gun. All right, now on to Decades 1980s. Again, if anyone wants to help me out with the teams, if I do falter, let me know. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux, 100 Years of Collecting. Mario Lemieux. For the St. Louis Blues, Decades Rookie, Doug Gilmour. Doug Gilmour Rookie. For the Edmonton Oilers, Dynasty, Glenn Anderson. Glenn Anderson. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Game Used Jersey Black, Rick Vive. Rick Vive. We have a quad, which will be random between the Islanders, Sabres, Colorado, and Boston. Barrasso, Michel Goulet, Mike Bossy, and Ray Bourque. Quad. We have another quad, which will be a random between Edmonton, St. Louis, Islanders, and Edmonton. Another quad for your country, Messier, Potvin, Gilmore, and Grant Fuhr. Autograph for the Boston Bruins, Steve Kasper. Steve Kasper. For the Boston Bruins, Jim Craig. Jim Craig. And for the Detroit Red Wings, Reed Larson. There you go. More coming up after this.